Children, let me continue. Black Beauty question and answers we are going to get now. Take your books in hand. Take page number 146. Page 146. Clear? We'll go for the answer. First one, choose the best option. The season mentioned in the story is, I said already what season it is. Autumn season. AUTUMN. Option is B. Next one, the one in one low part of the road, the dash was halfway up to Black Beauty's knees. What was halfway up? Water, the river water. As usual, I am writing only answers on the board. Questions you have to copy from the book only. You no need to copy the questions also. Just put a tick mark in that. The bridge was broken in the middle. What's the correct option? C. And the fourth one, the instinct in dash had often saved the lives of man. We have brain, but animals. What's the answer? Animals. Instinct means special feelings. That is option B. And the fifth one, Black Beauty dared not move even to the sharp snap, even after getting the beating also, because sharp snap of the whip. Whip means what I said. In Tamil we have to say saukku. That is the string which is used to beat the animals. That is C. Okay children, finish marking the answer. First one autumn, second one C water, third one C middle, fourth one B animals, and fifth one whip. Next one, match the following. Next one is what? Match the following. This is 1. This is 2. Match. I am writing the answers only. Man at the toll gate. What they are doing? Flashing a torch. Flashing a torch. Write the numbers correctly. And second one, bridge. That is sturdy rail. Sturdy rail. That is strong walls. Sturdy rails, rails. RAIL. And the third one is John. John, he had many stories to tell. And the fourth one is, I think you are able to see, fourth one is Black Beauty. Black Beauty is what? Wise. And the fifth one is animals have special knowledge. Okay children, first one flashing a torch, second one sturdy rail, third one had many stories to tell, fourth one wise, and fifth one have special knowledge. Clear? So we'll go for fill in the blanks. Next one we have to go for fill in. Third one. Take pencils in mark. Suppose you got any doubt in my spellings, ask your friends or else elders, those who are next to you. Just then the man at the toll gate, first one. Toll gate. There is 2 dashes, other one is flashing a torch. Second one, even when John tried to lean him forward, take him. Lean means what? Take him. Third one is, we were saved because Beauty had known that something was wrong. And the fourth one is, suddenly an dash tree came crashing. Which tree? Oak tree. O-A-K, oak. And fifth one, it told that the bridge had just broken due to flood. F-L-O-O-D. Sixth one, as he went through the wood, the branches of the trees. First dash is what? Branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Second one, were swaying and making a terrible rushing sound. Even answer is given itself. So in the dash you have to write what is given in front. Terrible. T-E-R-R-I. This is R. T-E-R-R-I-B-L-E. Terrible. This is the answer. Actually the dash is given extra only. That in the place of dash you have to write terrible. Clear, children? First one is blank is there. In the blank we have to write branches. Second one, the blank you have to write terrible only. Terrible is given in front. You have to write terrible. You have to underline. That is the dash. The blank B. Clear? And seventh one. A little later, when we reached the bridge, Beauty came to a sudden stop. Sudden stop or dead stop. And the eighth one, when we started back from the town, it was late in the afternoon. Clear? The ninth one, John said, we must go back to, there is two dashes. We must go back to the crossways. 4 crossways. No. And second dash is bridge. 2 dashes here. Okay. And the last one, 10th one. Oh, what a good supper. And second dash, supper night night food. Bed of straw. Children, the words are given within the box. Even you can write by saying the spellings. You suppose you got doubt in my handwriting, you can see also. It's bed of straw. 10B, that is second dash. Bridge. 9th, second dash. Crossways, 9th, first dash. Supper, 10th, first dash. Toll gate, first dash. And oak, fourth blank. Flood, fifth blank. Lean, second blank. Flashing, first blank, second side. Wrong, third one. Branches, sixth blank, first. Stronger, eighth blank, second. Afternoon, 8th blank first. Sudden, 7th one. Sudden stop. And terrible, 6th blank second. Already gave, but any doubts you just go through. Now we have to go for question and answers. I'll give the short answers first. If the time is there, I'll give the paragraph answer, or else we'll see the paragraph answer later on. First question, did Black Beauty like to pull the cart? Some of the answers are directly given in the book. So, take page number 143. We'll mark the answer. Take page number 143. Take down, children. Take page number 143. First paragraph. Second line. First paragraph, second line. Open the brackets here. Then we will do the changes what you have to do. I like to pull as it was very light and high wheels rode along so smoothly. Close the brackets. Open the brackets. The first paragraph, second line, in middle. I like to pull as it was very light and the high wheels rolled along so smoothly. Close the bracket. Finish closing up. In the place of I, page number, question and answers. Four. Okay, children. Are you able to sit till last? Then to any doubt, I explained what it is. Okay, first question. Did Black Beauty pull the cart? So the first answer, yes. And remaining thing you have to refer page number 143. In the place of I, you have to write, strike out I and write. The Black Beauty. The Black Beauty. To till what I said. Smoothly. Okay, any doubts in the first answer? Nothing. It is yes. First you have to write yes and take page number 143. In the place of I, what I said, the Black Beauty. The Black Beauty liked to pull as it was very light and the eye wheels rolled along so smoothly. Clear, children? And second one, how was the weather? That is also in page number 143. How was the weather? The second paragraph, first line. It was about to rain from there. Did you take down second paragraph, first line? It was about to rain. The weather was very windy and dry leaves blew across the road. Master John and I, it was about to rain. The weather was very windy and the dry leaves blew across the road. Close the bracket. Across the road. It was to till what I said? Road. Only one line. And third question. Hereafter we have to write only. There is no need of marking in the book. So you can take your classworks and third term lessons certainly will be, after the half yearly we are taking lessons, that question and answers, we will be checking the classwork. So we will call the students on one day to see the classwork notebook. I don't know whether what has happened for the first term and second term children. But for the third term, that is after half yearly exam, that is from the month of January we have started the lesson, that question and answers you have to write in the classwork. Clear? What are the lessons? I said already, some lessons we gave for quarterly, some lessons we gave for half yearly. We need not bother about the two lessons. If you are written, it's well and okay. But if you are not written, at least you have to write the third term lessons. What are the lessons for the quarterly? What are the lessons again? Quarterly, unit 1 and 2. Half yearly, unit 3 and 4. So, unit 5, that is being safe, fireworks night, when instinct works. All the three you should write in the classwork. Clear, children? We will be calling you one day. That particular day you have to come and show the classworks to us. So, copy down the classworks properly. Clear? Third one, describe the bridge. Third question. Answer I will write on the board. Third one, was the weather written? Third one, describe the bridge. The answer is the low wooden bridge. WOODEN, wooden. The low wooden bridge had sturdy rails. Sturdy means what I said, strong. Sturdy rails, that means gates, sturdy rails on both sides. Full stop. Clear? as the river banks was as were fairly high, the bridge was across just level. Here, the low wooden bridge, LOW, low wooden bridge, BRIDGE, had sturdy rails on both sides, full stop, RAILS rails. As the river banks were fairly high, river banks, BANKS, were fairly high, the bridge was across just level. Over a third answer. Fourth ones, what was the alternate plan was suggested by what was the alternate plan was suggested by John to reach the wooden bridge? So the answer, I'll write by this side. Fourth answer. Fourth answer, what was the alternate plan? Answer. The alternate plan suggested by John was to go back to 4 crossways. To go back to 4 crossways. Then where did John take Black Beauty and what did it give her? So sorry me. Fifth question is, why was Black Beauty reluctant to cross the bridge? I'll write the answer. The moment Black Beauty felt touched, TOUCHED, feet touch the bridge, touch the ground, which was the part of the bridge the horse sensed something was wrong. Okay, children, the remaining answer you take from something was wrong, that's enough. So it was reluctant. Okay, short answers I give, paragraph answers I will give in other class. Okay, thank you.